Hey there science fans, welcome back to this week's episode of Top Science News of the Week. We've got some exciting updates from the space front for you today. And if you're a fan of all things science, space, physics and tech, then buckle up because this one's for you. An experimental Russian satellite is breaking up in orbit, leaving a trail of debris. Scientists have been closely monitoring the situation and have confirmed that the satellite is falling apart, causing a potential danger for other satellites and spacecrafts in the orbit. But, hold on, before you start panicking about a possible collision, let me tell you that the experts are saying that the risk of impact with other satellites is relatively low. However, the debris that's being left behind is causing concern as it poses a threat to other spacecrafts. And here's the fun part, the satellite in question was actually sent up with the mission to test new technologies for future space missions. Looks like the technology still needs a little more tweaking before it's ready for the big leagues. Next, NASA's Curiosity rover has stumbled upon a fascinating discovery on Mars: wave-rippled rocks. The rocks, which were formed by the action of water, suggest that there was once a lake on the red planet. Scientists have been studying the data collected by Curiosity and are excited about the implications of this discovery. The presence of a lake on Mars in the past means that the planet had a stable source of water, which is crucial for the potential of finding life. And here's something even cooler, the rocks show evidence of repetitive cycles of drying and soaking, which could have created a habitable environment for microbial life to thrive. So, who knows, we might not be alone after all. But, before we start planning our Martian vacation, it's important to note that the lake is long gone and the planet is now a cold and barren wasteland. But, this discovery gives us a glimpse into the past and the potential for life on other planets. So, folks, the search for life beyond Earth continues and Curiosity rover is leading the way. Who knows what other exciting discoveries lie ahead? Stay tuned to find out. In other news, astronomers have detected a mysterious eruption on a star, which could help explain one of the most intriguing phenomena in the universe: fast radio bursts, FRBs. FRBs are powerful bursts of radio waves that last only a fraction of a second but release as much energy as 500 million suns. Scientists have been trying to figure out what causes these bursts and now they might have an answer. The eruption on the star was detected using the Very Large Array Radio Telescope and it showed characteristics similar to those seen in FRBs. This is leading scientists to believe that the two might be related, and the star's eruption could be the source of the FRBs. But, the mystery doesn't end here. The star is located in a relatively quiet area of the galaxy and doesn't show any signs of violent activity that would cause such a powerful eruption. So, this discovery is raising even more questions and adding to the mystery of FRBs. The universe never ceases to amaze us with its mysteries, and this latest discovery is just one of many. Who knows what other secrets it holds? The search for answers continues. Up next, astronomers have made a groundbreaking discovery in the quest to understand one of the most powerful forces in the universe, a super powerful intergalactic light source known as a quasar. Quasars are incredibly luminous celestial objects that emit an enormous amount of energy, outshining entire galaxies. For a long time, scientists have been trying to figure out what powers these quasars, and now they might have an answer. Using the latest technology and data analysis, astronomers have pinpointed the mysterious engine behind a quasar, and it's none other than a supermassive black hole. The black hole is devouring matter at an incredible rate, releasing a huge amount of energy in the process. This discovery is not only helping us understand the power behind quasars, but it's also giving us insight into the growth and evolution of supermassive black holes. These black holes play a crucial role in the universe, affecting the evolution of galaxies and shaping the cosmos. So, there you have it, another exciting discovery in the world of astronomy that's helping us unlock the secrets of the universe. The journey to understanding the cosmos continues, and we can't wait to see what other amazing discoveries lie ahead. Next, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has made a surprising discovery while on its mission to explore the universe. The telescope has accidentally detected a tiny asteroid hiding between Mars and Jupiter. This small asteroid, which is only a few hundred meters in size, was previously unknown to astronomers. But, thanks to the advanced technology and imaging capabilities of JWST, the asteroid has now been added to the list of known objects in our solar system. This discovery not only adds to our understanding of the objects in our solar system, but it also showcases the capabilities of the JWST. The telescope is set to make many more groundbreaking discoveries in the future, and we can't wait to see what other secrets it will uncover. In conclusion, the universe is full of surprises, and the JWST is helping us uncover more of them every day. Who knows what other hidden treasures lie waiting to be discovered? The journey continues. More news from Mars. NASA's Mars rover, Curiosity, has stumbled upon a truly spectacular find on the red planet, a metal meteorite. This metal meteorite is a rare type of meteorite, known as a painted metal meteorite, and it's made mostly of iron and nickel. The unique appearance of the meteorite, with its shiny and dark surfaces, makes it stand out from the surrounding Martian terrain. The discovery of the metal meteorite on Mars is adding to our understanding of the planet's geological history and the types of meteorites that have fallen on its surface. This information is crucial in piecing together the puzzle of Mars' past and determining whether the planet was ever hospitable to life. So, there you go. Curiosity continues to make exciting discoveries on Mars, and this metal meteorite is just one of many. Who knows what other secrets the red planet holds? The search for answers continues. In other news, astronomers have made a fascinating discovery, a super rare star system that's a giant cosmic accident waiting to happen. This star system, called a triple star system, consists of 3 stars orbiting around a common center of mass. This type of system is incredibly rare and only a handful have been found in our galaxy. However, what makes this triple star system so interesting is that the stars are on a collision course and are set to merge in the future, creating a massive explosion of light and energy. This event will release a tremendous amount of energy, far greater than that of a typical supernova, and will be visible from millions of light years away. This discovery is not only providing us with a unique opportunity to study the physics of these massive stellar explosions, but it's also giving us a glimpse into the dynamic and ever-changing universe. So, hold on tight. We might just be witnessing a cosmic show that's out of this world. The universe never ceases to amaze, and this triple star system is proof of that. Moving on, the US military has taken down a Chinese surveillance balloon, sparking questions about the capabilities of these balloons and what they can actually see. Surveillance balloons are unmanned aerial vehicles that are equipped with cameras and other sensors, and are used for monitoring and surveillance purposes. While the exact details of what the Chinese balloon was doing and what it was capable of seeing remain unknown, it's clear that these balloons have the potential to gather a vast amount of information from the skies. The use of surveillance balloons has raised privacy concerns and has led to debates about the appropriate use of these technologies. It's important to have open and honest discussions about the capabilities and limitations of these technologies, as well as the potential consequences of their use. So, what can these surveillance balloons actually see? That remains to be seen, but one thing's for sure: the advancements in technology are allowing us to gather more information from the skies than ever before. It's up to us to decide how we use it. Next, scientists have made a surprising discovery, a weird new form of ice that could change the way we think about water. This new form of ice, called amorphous ice, is unlike any other type of ice. It's a disordered, glass-like material that forms when water is rapidly frozen at very low temperatures. What makes this discovery so exciting is that amorphous ice has different properties compared to crystalline ice, the type of ice we're familiar with. For example, amorphous ice has a higher density and is more resistant to melting, making it ideal for use in a variety of applications, such as cryopreservation and cooling systems. The discovery of this weird new form of ice opens up a world of possibilities and could lead to advancements in many fields, from medicine to energy storage. It's a reminder of the countless wonders that still remain to be discovered in our world and beyond. So, who knew that water could be so weird and wonderful at the same time? The discovery of amorphous ice is sure to turn a few heads and leave a lasting impact. Next to last, a recent study has found that transplanting a gene commonly found in centenarians could potentially rewind the age of the heart by several years. The gene in question, called FOXO3, has been linked to longevity and has been found in a large number of individuals who have lived to be 100 years old or older. In the study, researchers transplanted the FOXO3 gene into the hearts of mice, and found that the treated mice had a healthier and younger-looking heart compared to control mice. The findings suggest that the gene could help to protect the heart from age-related decline and improve heart function. This is an exciting development in the field of aging research and could lead to new treatments for age-related heart conditions. It's a reminder that the key to unlocking a longer, healthier life may lie within our genes. Imagine having the heart of a 20-something at the age of 60. Sounds like the stuff of science fiction, but with this latest discovery, it may just be a possibility in the not-so-distant future. Before we jump into the last one, if you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, and giving the video a thumbs up, it's very much appreciated. So, last one. Physics researchers are working on a new and exciting project, using gravitational waves to see the beginning of time itself. Gravitational waves are ripples in spacetime caused by the movement of massive objects, such as black holes. By detecting these waves, scientists can gather valuable information about the movements of these objects and their interactions with one another. Now, researchers want to take this a step further and use these waves to look back in time to the moment of the Big Bang. By detecting the gravitational waves produced by the earliest objects in the universe, scientists may be able to gather information about the conditions and events in the universe in its earliest moments. This is a hugely ambitious project, but if successful, it could provide us with a never-before-seen glimpse into the history of the universe and the beginning of time itself. So, that's it for this week's science news, folks. We've gone from satellite breakups, to ancient lakes, to the beginning of time itself. As always, science never fails to amaze and astound us. And, who knows what new discoveries next week will bring. What news did you find most interesting? Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. And if you want to read all the articles yourself, I have posted them in the description.